We're just finishing launching our Ireland showroom here in Dublin today. We've met some great people and talked about many applications. We've had some live scanning demos with the PL3 and been showcasing machines like the Formlabs Fuse 3L and some new additions such as the Bamboo Labs X1 Carbon that we have here today. If you'd like to come and visit our showroom if you haven't already, then please do arrange a visit, and we'd be happy to do any demos and provide any sample parts. Please do get in touch on that.
Hi, my name is Owen. I'm part of the technical team here at Solid Print Ireland. I'd like to thank you all for coming out to our launch day. It was a great day, great to see so many faces, great to see so much interest as well then. We had a really good time showing off a lot of our machines here in the office, like the new Bamboo, showing off then our scanners, a lot of demos, a lot of people then asking some really good questions, which were really good. I look forward to dealing with you all in the future still then. If you ever want to come in for another tour of the showroom, or if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch then. I look forward to working with you all soon.